Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to generate these amazing images using our smartphone for free. Please, the prompt will be in the description of the video. Please, if you are new to the channel, subscribe and hit the bell to be notified anytime we post a video. And if you are a returning viewer, don't forget to hit the notification button to be notified anytime we post a video. Thank you very much.